How SetUpShopOnline helped cooling tower service companies grow their business with SEO. Cooling tower service is a specialized and niche service that requires a high level of expertise and experience. However, many cooling tower service companies struggle to attract new customers and generate leads online due to the competitive and saturated market. That's why a leading cooling tower service and repair company in the Northeast decided to partner with SetUpShopOnline, a digital marketing and app development agency that helps businesses get new leads from Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines with SEO and other types of services. SetUpShopOnline notably helped this company to optimize their website, significantly elevated their rank higher on Google for relevant keywords, and appreciably increased their online visibility and credibility. Thanks to SetUpShopOnline, this cooling tower service company was able to create and grow their business with our SEO services. They reported a substantial and increasing growth in their online exposure, customer inquiries, and sales. They also received positive feedback, reviews, and testimonials from their existing customers who appreciated their professional and informative website. If you are a cooling tower service and maintenance company that wants to boost your online presence and business, you can sign up for a Zoom 15-minute intro with SetUpShopOnline today to get an initial strategy and consultation on us. Once a customer, you will always get access to their 24/7 support team who can help you with any questions or issues you might have along the way. Don't miss this opportunity to turn your website into a powerful marketing tool. Get a free SEO audit of your existing website and see the difference SetUpShopOnline can make for your business.